Hi, so this video is being made as part of the Google's app verification process for which we are requesting the restricted scope for Gmail read-only API. So this is our domain timelyai.com, and this is where the user will land once he navigates to this page. We can see that we have two buttons, get started and the login button, along with some information regarding our company and a button where a person can contact us regarding any support that he or she requires. We also have the privacy policy and the terms of use links as well. So, in the privacy policy, we have clearly mentioned that we will be utilizing the Gmail API to read and analyze the content of the user's emails. It's important to know that we do not access any form of credentials, sensitive information, or crucial emails. Our access is strictly limited to the scope necessary for analyzing user behavior and providing strategic plans. Also, we strictly adhere to all Google guidelines for app verification and usage of Google APIs. Our services operate within the permissible scope outlined by Google's policies and terms of service. Now, let's just get back to our login page. So, let's just go and click login. So, we can see that the user will be taken to an authentication page. He or she just needs to click on the connect using Google button and they can then link their account. So, say for example, I choose this particular account and we click continue, and we can see that in the consent screen now we have both the privacy policy and the terms of service. On clicking privacy policy, we can see that it takes you to the same route. So the privacy policy in the consent screen and the privacy policy in the home page matches each other, and same goes with the terms of service as well. And anyways, now let's just click continue. So we can see that this particular user is yet to give any permissions. So we can see that Timely AI domain is requesting access in order to view their email messages and settings with this particular user that we can see. Okay, now we'll just click enable access. So we are basically giving the enable checklist button. And now let's just click continue. So by this way, we can see that Timely AI is now given all the permissions from this user to access the emails. And finally, we arrive at this particular screen. So we can see that now the user will be able to view a good overview about his business. So we can see that there are new orders, which is 128 new orders, 47 customers, and 72 appointments. So for each of those 47 customers, we have 72 and 128 orders respectively. And the profit that is generated by this particular business today is nothing but $1,300. And the top clients for this particular business is Emily Johnson, Sarah Brown, Amanda Martinez, and Samantha Miller, with 32, 28, 22, and 13 appointments respectively. And the top services offered by this particular business is pedicure, hair coloring, Botox fillers, and chemical peels. And we also enabled another feature where the business could have all the relevant promotions gathered for them in a single page itself, so that this would help boost the business's revenue. Then we also have the prospective client details where we fetch the Instagram handles and Facebook handles, provided they have a Instagram and Facebook account. So this is basically it, and the working is very simple. So what we have done is we are basically reading all these emails and analyzing them, and we have certain models where we feed this data so that we are able to extract good enough analytic purpose content. And all the users Instagram emails and Facebook emails will be read through, and that is how we are able to get the Instagram handles. And once we get all the Instagram handles and Facebook handles of the user, we then check it with the data that we have and along with the data that is present in the emails, that is the customer revenue, appointments, and orders data. And that is how we finally process these top Instagram and top Facebook handles. Similarly, the same goes for top services as well and the top clients as well. So this is how this entire thing works. Anyways, we are looking towards your feedback and let us know as quickly as possible. Thank you.